Hey friends, we are in Kinglet, and I'm going to take you on the $684,000 Sterling home tour. We are in Northwest Edmonton, and Kinglet is one of 3 communities that's built on Big Lake, which is a nature reserve. We are going to tour this beautiful home. So there's a couple unique features. You can see it's a double oversized garage. Got a window, which isn't very common in garages. It's got some additional features inside in terms of taps for the garage. And this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, open to below. You want a list of Edmonton's top 10 builders? Put in comments below top 10 builders, and we're gonna get it right out to you. And if you might be considering a relocation, reach out to me and my peeps. Our relocation coaching specialist will get on the phone with you and help you take the stress out and make it easy. Let's get in there. This is an open to below and it's a walkout. So let's go see what you can get for $684 with Sterling Homes. All right, thanks for coming on that tour with me. I gotta tell you, like for $684, I think that really the value in there, it's very, very, very builder basic. I'm very disappointed in the price because I know I can get you more, period. I like Sterling in terms of the quality of their build. I have no concerns there. I love their customer service. I've done lots of work with them in the past. However, for the value, like unless you really want, even I would still shop resale for you because I honestly think that we can get you a better quality, not quality in terms of quality build, but I just mean more for your money with the interior. Because again, it's just builder basic and better bathrooms and better floor plan and just better, honestly, everything. So anyways, those are my thoughts. If you are looking to relocate, make sure you reach out, hop on a call with one of my relocation coaches, and we take the stress out, we make it easy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.